starting money today. I know we looked at it a little bit at the start of lockdown, but because we didn't think it was going to last this long, we only covered it slightly. So we're going to go into it in a little bit more detail in the next week or two. So we're just going to recap and look at the different coins that we've got. So you can get a £2 coin and a £1 coin, a 50 pence, 20 pence, 10 pence, 5 pence, 2 pence and a 1 pence. Then when it comes to the notes, you can get a £5 note, £10 note, £20 note and a £50 note. What you need to remember with money is that there are 100 pennies, 100 pence equals £1. Now, when it's pence, so if it's 99p and below, you put p. If it equals 100 or more, then you put the pound sign. Now, the dots separate the pounds from the pence, a bit like with time, where you have the hours and the minutes. So if it was £5 and 10 pence, you put the pound sign, you'd write £5 and 10 pence. You don't need to put a p after it, it's only if it's pence on its own that you put a p after it. So if it was 89 pence, you'd write 89 and then a p for pence, okay? Now, if it costs something like £3 and 5 pence, you do £3 and 5 pence. You need to make sure you put the 0 as the placeholder. So think of this as the hundreds column, the tens column and the ones column. You wouldn't write £3, 5 pence like that. You need to have a placeholder in the tens column, because if it's £3 and 10, then you write it like that. So just be aware of that. It starts off quite easy anyway to begin with. So you're just looking at the amounts of money and writing down what it equals. So here, look, you've got a 20 pence, a 10 pence and a 10 pence. A lot of this can be done mentally. So 20 add 10 is 30, add another 10 is 40. And then here, you've got £1, you've got 20 pence, another 20 pence and a 10 pence. So that's £1.20, £1.40, £1.50. And then you write it correctly with the decimal point separating the pound from the pence. And then on the second part of the sheet, it says circle the coins which make up the correct amount. So here, look, you've got £0 and then the decimal place and then 60. So it's 60 pence this donut equals. So circle the coins that can make up 60 pence. And then you've got other amounts, circle the coins that make up 90 pence, £1.30 and £2.70 and £4.20 and so on. So just have a go at that and remember what I've said about the decimal point and using a placeholder. Okay, I'll speak to you tomorrow. If you need any help, just message us on the blog.